I don't think I could make it to slime school today. Me calling sick. Hi, Principal. It's Teacher CrayCray. I'm not feeling. I'm not feeling good. I'm not gonna make it today. Okay. All right, bye.
I wonder what Miss CrayCray's gonna have us do today.
I don't know, but I'm sure it's gonna be so much fun.
This is your principal speaking. Miss CrayCray is out sick today. That is all. Ugh, she's used too many sick days. I think she needs to be fired. Oh wait, I left this on. Oops.
Oh no! Does that mean Miss CrayCray gets fired from slime school?
She can't be. She's my favorite teacher ever.
We gotta do something. We can't let the principal do this.
Yeah, that would be totally unfair. We have to help her.
Is Miss CrayCray sick? What can we do?
When I'm sick, I always like to drink orange juice. It makes me feel better.
And I like to drink tea. That always makes me feel better.
How about I make some slime orange juice and you make some slime tea? I'll get the cups and supplies and you get the glue.
Oh, I'm so itchy. Oh, I'm so itchy. Oh, why am I itching so bad? I'm so itchy. Why am I itching so bad?
Alright, I got our cups.
I wasn't sure what else that we needed, so I only got the glue.
I need orange and you need brown. Alright, I'll mix my orange juice first. This looks a little different than orange juice. I think I want to add a little bit of yellow to just give the color a little more brightness. And to make it really like oranges, I'm going to add a little bit of white glue.
My face hurts. Why does my face hurt so bad? It's swollen. What's wrong with my mouth and my cheeks? What's wrong with me? I look like a mouse.
Alright, now time for some activator.
Naiah, I think you made too much.
Yeah, I think I did, but I gotta make it work. We have to make Miss CrayCray keep her job.
Do I still look like a mouse? I think it cleared up. But now I have to go.
Time to make my tea. Let's get it open and then pour some glue. There we go. And then we put a little bit of some brown. There. Ooh, this is baked apple cinnamon tea. I'm sure Miss CrayCray will enjoy that. Let's soak it on the slime. Oh, this looks about ready. Let's get it in. Now let's stir it all up to make it tea.
I shouldn't have eaten those 5 bean burritos last night.
Wow, this is cool.
Time to put my tea in. Let's. I think I had too much. Let's tear that pot off. Let's zip my tea bag and stuff it in. And done. My tea's ready.
I'm gonna put my orange juice in here now.
Ew!
I think Miss CrayCray's gonna love this lime orange juice. Well, we've made her something to drink, but I think we should make her some hot soup because when I'm sick, I love hot soup.
Hot noodle soup.
This is gross and disgusting. I don't like being sick. I did make some pretty good slime with that one though. Let me take a look. Get it off my tissue. Get the paper out. Did I get it all?
Well, we have all the ingredients to make a very nice noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup.
I'm gonna make the chicken carrots, you make the noodles and peas. Alright, so I have my kid safe scissors to start my project.
Okay, so I got my kid safe scissors. Now I'm gonna cut my noodle.
Chicken fry, chicken fry. There's my chicken.
Now it's time to pick some peas. Here's one. Oh, and two. And and 3.
Wow, this slime is super stretchy. It's pretty cool. I wonder if I could make a bubble with it. Would it be a snot bubble? That's kind of gross. But this is slime school and I do make slime. Let's try it. I think I can do it. Okay, come on. Come on. Here we go. Whoa, I think we're gonna do it. I think we're gonna do it. And, oh, that was a fail. Okay, let me try again. Wow! Ugh, that's all over the place. It's kind of gross.
Okay, let's pour some chicken noodle soup.
I hope Miss CrayCray likes it.
And I'm gonna add a little bit like this to get some richness.
I think we need some yellow to this soup to make it like a delicious broth with chicken stock.
And 1 dot of orange. Let me stir it up. I think we need a little drop of brown.
Alright, I'm gonna add some activator. Let's try that. Oh, time to add some carrots.
Let's add the peas. 1, 2.
I think this looks good, Ellie. Let's go take all of our food to Miss CrayCray. I'll take the soup. You can go get the drinks.
Okay.
Oh, I wonder who's at my door. Oh, girls. What are you doing here? Girls, get in here. It's cold. Come on, come on. Come on, girls. Oh, come on, girls. Oh. Oh, what are you girls doing here? I couldn't make it to school today.
Miss CrayCray, you okay?
Oh, don't touch me. I think I'm contagious. Oh, but what are you girls doing here?
We heard you were sick, so we made you some treats.
Oh, you girls didn't have to do that. That's so kind.
Well, we actually had to do it because we overheard the principal saying you're going to get fired.
Why?
Because you used up your sick day.
But I only get 1 sick day and I haven't been sick in 10 years. Oh, I think we need a new principal. Let me see this beautiful slime you've made me.
Well, I made for you a beautiful cup of some nice lime juice.
Whoa! I love playing with slime orange juice. It's one of my favorite slimes. Oh, this is amazing. And it's super stretchy. Whoa! Let's put it back. There's nothing like fresh slime going into a cup. I love that sound. What else do you have for me, girls?
Here is a nice cup of tea.
Oh, is this apple cinnamon tea?
Yep.
Whoa, it looks just like apple cinnamon. Whoa, look at that apple cinnamon color. It looks just like it. Great job, Ellie. Now, I see you girls have something else for me.
We both made you a chicken noodle soup.
Whoa, look at this slime noodle soup. I love all the little foam pieces. Oh, this is great. Noodle soup slime.
I hope you like it.
I love it. Oh, Mother used to make this for me when I was a tiny little slime bee. Look at those chunks. They're so pretty. I can't believe the principal talked about firing me.
I know, you're
Yeah.
such a great teacher.
Yes.
I think the only way for me to keep my job is we're gonna have to win the slime competition showdown this year. But we've got to start training for it.
Yeah.
But maybe I should get better first. Ugh. I literally have to blow this out. This is possibly the nastiest thing I've ever done. What if I had the bubble streaming from my nose?
No.
That was gross. It was mixing my real snot with it just now, and that, I'm not triggered, but
How
I
about
like that little response.
how about you make some
Like I just said.
how about I'll make some slime orange juice and I'll make some slime too.
Okay.
We can carry on. I like it. Funny, Naiah. You sound so funny. I love your voice.
I think we could have skipped to them already having it because we got a lot going on.
Look, it's swung. What?
Ellie's just needing a little prayer and exorcism.
It's a swung.
Okay, I cannot get this. Pull this off me. Thank you. I ain't got no fingers.
Listen
All
up,
right, so-
Mommy, you have fingers. Gold
Listen
fingers.
up,
Like
Mommy,
gold.
you got fingers.
You got gold tooth
That's the
fingers.
rap of 2019
gold
I
teeth
needed.
fingers. Gold teeth fingers.
Honestly, that's what rap has become. I got gold fingers, gold fingers, go. Now it's chocolate. Okay. Oh, okay. One more for the win. One more. Okay. Okay. I think this is it. I feel it in my bones. Oh! All right, I'm gonna try to get one though, because I actually feel like it would look.
Miss CrayCray's gonna be fired from the slime school. She's gonna have to find another job. She's been taking too much vacation, sick. She's gonna have to go to Waldorf school, baking school, fashion school, or cooking.
Is there
or
such a
cooking
thing as
school.
robot school? Let them go chicken nuggets. She be cooking in my fire. She be getting all that Naiah. Elli got brown in my slime, so I'm so angry. I want to cry. I want to scream. I want to go. Oh, wee.
Well, here's a pea.
I need zombie arms in the air. And you know, why won't, I'm just not, I mean, why is this not bubbling? Like, I feel like I'm doing it.